my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would brighten up and remove all of those dullness on your face, and your wrinkle is going to get straightened, your face is going to get glowing, your face is going to get brighter, okay? Because this natural home remedy does that. So if you want to now also remember some of the factors that causes you early wrinkles, which are stress, which are non-sleep, which are smoking, and not taking good diet. Okay, so remember to avoid that and use these ingredients, and it's going to be working really well. Okay, so let's dive into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and let me take you right into the video. Alright guys, so we're gonna be making use of gram flour. Now gram flour has certain property that helps to treat acne and has been used for this purpose in India for centuries. It has been shown to fight the infection that causes your face to erupt with acne. It also helps to control the excessive sebum production and soft inflamed skin, and it also helps to remove fine lines, wrinkles, and it leaves your skin looking flawless. And then we're going to be making use of sugar. Now sugar is a wonderful exfoliator which helps to remove dead skin cells from the face, lips, and even your body, to restore and refresh tired clogged pores. It's also a natural humectant to the skin that helps to scrub out excessive dead skin cells and leave your skin rejuvenated. It helps to clear your pores, it helps to remove fine lines, and it also helps to leave your skin really soft and smooth. And then baking soda is going to be required. Baking soda is not only a good exfoliator but also helps by slightly shrinking the size of your pores, thereby preventing dirt and other particles from clogging them. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties in baking soda is great to help to reduce the reoccurrence of pimples and acne, and it also helps to smoothen out the skin. It therefore helps to leave your skin really rejuvenated. And then we're going to be making use of rose water. Now rose water has been used as a beauty product for centuries of years. It improves your skin complexion and it reduces skin redness. The antibacterial property may help to reduce acne, and also the anti-inflammatory property can reduce the redness and puffiness of the skin, and it also helps to glow and moisturize your skin. Alright, so for the gram flour, we're going to be taking one teaspoon of gram flour into the bowl. Look at that. And then you're going to be taking 1 tablespoon of sugar, for baking soda 1 teaspoon is going to be perfect because you actually do not need it too much. And there you go. I would first have to stir this whole ingredient together. Alright, mix all of the ingredients together, mix it really good. Alright, so after that, then we'll have to be putting in the glycerin. Okay, we'll have to make sure to put in about 1 tablespoon of glycerin into this mix. And now we'll be giving this a good stir. And this is actually really great. So the only liquid that you're going to put into this ingredient is the glycerin to liquidify it and also to make the ingredients mix in a very good consistency. And this is it, guys. Now for this ingredients, you can actually use it 4 times in a week because it's actually very mild enough for you to use 4 times in a week, and you're going to achieve your aim. Right, guys, so for a dull skin you would have to be using this, and this is how it looks like. It is actually very mixed properly together. Okay, so what you do is that you have to give it a little time, mix this all up together really well, and look at how it is. It's milkish in color and it's actually really nice. Okay, so the next thing is to dip in a brush, and then you would apply this onto your dull skin, guys. Now this is going to be ideal for a dull and rough, dry and aged skin. So you generously apply this onto your face. Alright, so after a generous application of this, you would have to give it a little scrub. Okay, now for a dull skin, you should know that there are some dead skin cells on your skin that is actually making your skin really dull, so you would have to scrub it all off. So after that, then you scrub it in an upper direction like that. Okay, so after the scrub, then you would have to, you don't scrub too much, like don't scrub too hard, just a little scrub would lift up all of those dryness and roughness on your skin. Okay, after the scrub, then you would have to leave it onto your skin now for like 5 minutes. You also have to concentrate on those areas where you have problems, okay, on those problem area. All right, you scrub it and scrub it really good. Okay, so after this 5 minutes, then you can go wash it off with a cool water plus a toilet soap. You would have to use a toilet soap immediately you're done washing. Okay, and then follow suit with a very mild cream, very mild cream that would help to, remove all of this sugar stuff on your skin. Okay, and then you're good to go. You can repeat this at most 4 times in a week because it's actually very mild. It's not going to be harmful to your skin, but you are going to enjoy this. Okay, be consistent because in natural ingredients like this, consistency is actually the key to it. Okay, when you're not consistent, you're not going to see any result, but when you're consistent, the result is going to be so visible and so enormous. All right. So that's it. Rub this, like apply this and do it just the way I've shown you in the video, and your face is going to get glowing, bright, smooth and polished. Okay, and all of those fine lines is just going to disappear, and you are going to be loving your result because it's going to be wow, you know, so sparkling. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and share this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.